Let's take a look at NetworkDays and NetworkDays international formulas. They will enable you to calculate the number of working days between two dates, eliminating weekends and holidays. So let's go. This is my project with a list of activities, and for each activity I need to know the number of working days, removing weekends and holidays, and you can see the holidays are here. So let's start on this together. Equal network days, open parenthesis. You have a start date, that's my start date, comma, an end date, comma, you have holidays. Now holidays is an optional parameter. How did I know this? You're gonna ask me. Well, you have brackets around it. This is how you know. Now, if you don't have any holiday, you just close the function like this. In my case, I have 3 holidays. I'm just gonna select them, and then I'll select this, press F4 to be able to drag the formula, so this reference will stay the same. So let's close parenthesis, press enter, you get 2. Why 2? Because we start on the 3rd of January, so that's day number 1, and the 4th of January is day number 2. Now you will tell me, what if my weekend is on Monday and not Saturday, Sunday? Well, no problem, because we have another sister formula. Equal, I'm just gonna type it here, Network Days International. Let's double click. Here you have a start date, same, end date, same, and the difference is the weekend. This is optional. If you don't select anything, it will take it as Saturday, Sunday by default. Otherwise, you can select something else. For example, Monday only, double click, that's option 12, comma, those are my holidays, close parenthesis, press enter. You get 1 day because the 3rd of January is eliminated, it's a Monday. Now let me remove this, and what we could do is just double click and you get all the working days. Now what happens if my first date is 7 of Jan 2022? You get 4 days. Why? Because we have the 3rd, day number 1, this is day number 2, day number 3, and the 6th is not day number 4 because it's a holiday. So it will skip this one. The 7th will be day number 4, you get 4. If you put 10 of Jan 2022, you look at it, what will happen? You get 5 because Saturday and Sunday is off, and then the 5th day is on Monday. Now before you go, I have another important thing I want to show you. So there is another formula, and I have a video on it, that is called Workday, and it does the opposite. You will have a start date, you put the number of working days, and then you get a deadline. So let's try to use it and see what happens. I'm just gonna copy this, paste it here, and here I'm just gonna hard code 5. We need to use here Workday. So let's go up, equal Workday, open parenthesis, that's my start date, comma, number of days, that's the number of working days, it's here, and I have the same holidays. Let's select them and close parenthesis. You press enter and you get 11 of Jan. Same data, different results. What happened here? So in order for you not to pull your hair and go crazy, let me explain to you one difference in concept between the two formulas. In the first formula, network days, what you do is you count the start date as day number 1. In this one, Workday, the 3rd of Jan will not count. So what will happen is the 4th is day number 1, the 5th is day number 2, then this is nothing because that's a holiday. Day number 3 is Friday 7th, and then day number 4 is the 10th, 11 is day number 5, and this is why you get 11. So just be careful. If you need to use the formula the right way, you can just subtract -1 to this and you get the same result.